Ingine kuna teora wa gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi newe Mike Mbuvi Sonko na tumurete guchokera kiri siasa cha Nairobi na ndigudo nyuma ya kuandikiwa kwa kyama kyake kero kya National Economic Development Party. Sonko ni mutongeri wa kyama kina munini wa Kene Anthony Manyara John Muchai Nyamu na mukarigite na munini wa Kene Nancy Mushani na Zablon Rashida.
For instance, our chairman is none other than Dr. Nyamu. Dr. Nyamu is a non-gynecologist.
John Muchai Nyamu owawetwa wa kumorko yesio bunge kya Southimenti. Antone Manyara nwe kinyawe no kumatiania bonde amiru. Bailiba bawatilete itevine ne kiamene kero kya National Economic Development Party kira ni kya Mike Mbuvi Sonko. Bo yetenende bukarita njira ya kyama ke kwanda miria kadetune kamumiru kukirikanwa nende bailiba nyanto baineweta ore Anthony Manyara ura kyakete kya seneta kedurano ne kediru no John Muchai Nyamu nenda itare omunene.
Dr. Nyamu is a non-gynecologist. He used to be my director at Pumwani Hospital during my tenure as the governor of Nairobi.
John Muchai oranwa watilite kanya kamo karigiti akiaria uwitebo yambiriria bakyamaki kinyaba kedra nende baichala atongeria baraba kedra nende baikuruka kia kenda utongeria kyamaki.
Leo ni tumefurahi sana kupata hii party certificate. Sisi ni the 92nd fully registered political party. Na tumepata hiyo certificate kutokana na the new registrar of political parties. Na tumesema asante sana, sisi ni founder members wa hii party na soon tuta announce officials and neck members wa hii party.
Unini wa mutongeria wa kyamaki Anthony Manyara nwakiwa nende batira ndukimbithi ebakwedera baitonya kyameneki ore atariritia kwambiria mwaka to kwambiria yongirele 26 bakalionga kona chionde chandiguru kenda kwandikithia anto kyameneki.
My name is Anthony Manyara. I'm the deputy party leader, and I think what we have come here today to talk about unanimously is to say that this is a party for young people in Kenya, basically, because as we know very well, wanasiasa wametumia vijana for a very long time. We have had several demonstrations trying to see how we can be able to push for better economic times in Kenya, and now is the moment that we have a political party we can own as young people. Next year we'll have a robust exercise of mobilizing youth across the country to register as voters, so that in 2027 we'll have the best candidates to contest in these positions.
Kukarikanwa kyama kya DCP kinyakyo kino mawatungeria ba kyomete amiru nwe arimithika lentore na bonende nikiona ni yake kweria ukucheniria akaribamiru kona ni kyama keko bombe ya kwedira baitonya kekyo orinende kekya Mike Mbuvi Sonko nikyo kerwa buru kona ni yako yokyaba mubatongeria bomete amiru.
Today you are a fully registered political party.
No kariara nindi kukaya kumira nderaniro vyama vivyo ndevi keria ukeda kadetune kamumiru.